Hello everyone. Today we have with us Mr. S.V. Vishwanathan. He is a member of the Managing Council, SIS. Sir, as the management representative of SIS College, what is your opinion about the effectiveness of such conference for the growth of the college?
SIS Nehru Arts, Science and Commerce College gets a recognition of this sort in a big way. The students, the teachers and the participant gets a platform wherein they can exhibit their research quality. The students get their leadership very clearly exhibited, they are extremely well, whether it is organizing, whether it is ensuring food at the right time, whether ensuring the comfort level of the participants. And this speaks volume for the growth of this college. SIS is also known for encouraging such events. So we are happy that this event has taken place. A good participation in terms of neighboring colleges and colleges from outside Bombay has taken place. Possibly the next time we can have an international conference, since there are inquiries this year which can be addressed the next time. The quality of the presentation has been very high, par excellence, and some of them world class. At least 2 or 3 of them were new topics chosen, new words come, which will in turn mean great for the organization. These could be also patented and it will mean again a brand SIS image. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. We have with us the Honorable Principal of SIS Naval, Professor Dr. Rita Basu ma'am. Hello ma'am.
Hello.
Ma'am, we heard from the Managing Council that you have pulled off the conference very well. So what is your opinion about the conference?
You know, Ashwini, a conference is a lot of hard work, and we could have never pulled it off had it not been for the tremendous teamwork that our students, teachers have shown. To say the least is that our management has also come all the way to meet us, make this conference a success. They have presented a paper, which is something I think we have done for the first time in the history of SIS. And another thing which is very noteworthy in the conference, which I noted, was that a lot of students have made research papers and presented it, which the resource people have found very good and very, very relevant. A noteworthy feature of this conference has been a lot of students have made their paper presentations, which has gone down very well with the resource people and the moderators, who have made a note of it and have praised the students who have made their paper presentations. We are having 3 best paper awards in this conference pertaining to the 3 tracks that we have, and yesterday 2 results were already declared and today 1 more will be declared. And our resource people have been handpicked. They are the best from the corporate world, they are the best from the academia, and they have come down to help us judge the papers. And finally, the team of students and teachers who have worked tirelessly throughout the last few months have finally, their hard work has paid off. And we have a wonderful audience. We have a room where the ambience is perfect for conference papers, and I am proud to be a part and parcel of this last 2 days of conference info tracks. One noteworthy feature of this conference has been that a member of the Managing Council has made a paper presentation, which is, I think, for the first time in the history of SIS. I think nowhere has any Managing Council member got so involved that he himself has made a paper presentation. Seeing the level to which we have been able to take this conference, which is at the national level, I am very hopeful that maybe next year, and I am very, very hopeful about it, that next year I am sure our college will be able to pull off from a national to an international conference. And with that, I thank you all for taking this effort to come and interview me. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone. Today we have with us Professor Sugandha Jha and Dr. Meera Kumar, the conveners of the national conference. Can you tell us something about the conference?
This year it is a BCom and BMS initiative to organize international level conference, and we have come up with a team in InfoSparks 2015, New Facets of Business Economics Management and Extension. Basically, the idea behind selecting this team is to provide a platform where academia and industry people can interact, they can discuss, they can analyze
turned out to a 2-day conference which has been fruitful enough, and by the response, tremendous